Hey guys, Peter here with wisdomcent.com. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And the reason I'm going to do this is I'm really going to start focusing on the affiliate marketing business that I've started with wisdomcent.com. And I'm going to utilize the courses. I'm going to utilize the Success Challenge course that's going to teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm going to utilize that with my YouTube channels. So, for instance, this channel here, the crypto movement, what I'm going to do on this, and this is going to be really helpful for people who, if you're wanting to get into affiliate marketing and you're somewhat of a beginner or you're looking to build an extra income stream, this is a good way to follow. Make sure you see the free web class for the Success Challenge. That's going to be linked down below, so make sure you go watch that and follow along, because you're going to be able to do the exact same thing that I'm doing, and I'm going to show you guys. So just to give you some context here, I started this channel. I was originally, I had multiple channels, and it was just too much work, and I wasn't sure how I was going to be able to kind of keep up. I was sort of burned out trying to spread myself too thin across, multiple platforms and different channels. But what I'm going to do, this I started in March 24th, 2021. You can see it here. I don't have much movement on it at all. I've only done some videos. I haven't done a lot, just, basic video, a couple of shorts. This is a no face videos, but I'm utilizing this specific channel for with crypto is something that I would consider myself a crypto enthusiast. And again, just so you know ahead of time, because we're talking about crypto, you know, as a disclaimer, don't take anything that I say as financial advice or anything to help you on your trades. This is just for entertainment purposes. This is showing you what I'm doing and kind of my focus, because I feel like we have a small window of time here. And so the focus for me to help you guys and myself as well is I'm going to be, talking about the daily crypto news, things that I'm interested in, that I care about. The two things I'm going to really focus on, because I think we all have a small window, is a lot of you guys, and gals that are watching these videos are also entrepreneurs. You're also people who are in affiliate marketing, or you have your own products, or you're looking to build extra income streams. So what I want to do with this channel specifically, and as we build wisdomcent.com in our community, is there's two areas to hit on this. Number one, me personally, I feel that at this moment that it'd be smart to, in this tiny window I feel that we have, to make as much money as possible as you can, with different income streams like making money online. And I choose affiliate marketing because it's something that you're able to build. You don't have to create your own product. You don't create service or customer service, any of those things, but you're able to make money when you get a few things set up, and it can run automatically. You can also use ads. Um, YouTube in itself is sort of like being an affiliate, because what you're doing, when I talk about affiliate in this area, I'm talking about being able to build an asset and it pays you into the future from something that you're doing today, and tomorrow, and it pays you into the future. Because when you have a bunch of every video is like an asset. You're not going to make much money on it per se on the videos, unless you get thousands or even millions of views. However, it's great for traffic, and it's also a way for you to do different things to monetize. So we're going to focus specifically on this channel, also the Wisdom Cent channel itself, because obviously that's what we're doing this video on. So what we're going to do is, I believe, and I'm sure a lot of you guys would agree, that being able to grow multiple income streams, as much money as possible in this small window, is definitely something that would be smart to do. And combining that with being able to buy as much crypto as you can, or gold and silver, because I'm doing both as well. And that's a whole nother thing. But specifically, we're going to basically learn to build an asset. And what I want to do is to be able to take this journey, um, show what it's like to get up to cross that 1,000 subscriber mark. It is June, as you can see down here in the corner, it's June 13th, 2022. And I had originally meant to do this earlier, but we're going to go ahead and combine it and see how quickly we can get to 1,000 subscribers. And what I'm going to really focus on is doing a lot of content early on, especially the first month. So we're going to do, multiple videos a day for sure. Um, and really tie it into those two things, which is make as much money as possible as an entrepreneur with new income streams. So again, if you haven't watched the web class, it's going to be right here at the top. Just click on that to see the web class on the Success Challenge, and you guys can do exactly the stuff that I'm doing. So I really encourage you. It was a godsend to me, so I want to make sure that I'm passing that on as well. So right now we have just 5 subscribers, and I think one of the subscribers is another channel of mine. It's something like that. I'm not. It's been a while, but so far all I only have is 5. So it'll give you a good handle on. And all I did was posting up some videos, and a couple people jumped on. So we're just gonna intensify that and to do a lot of videos a day to see what we can do to see how quickly we can get to 1,000 subscribers. So we're at five subscribers now. We want to get to 1,000 as soon as possible. Again, it's June 13th, 2022. So that's what we're going to be focusing on. And to go and make a $5,000 in a month, what we're going to utilize is the Success Challenge and also building this channel to where you can monetize it. And it's going to be interchangeable, with some of my channels, because they're all going to go back to the Success Challenge, because that's the community. That's about building your hub. That's going to be what you're going to need to be an online entrepreneur and to kind of get yourself, on the ground running as soon as possible. So that's what we're going to help you guys do on that. So hope you guys stick around for the journey. Just wanted to do this video to show you what we're going to be focusing on. Again, the 2 things is going to be buying as much crypto as we can. Again, not financial advice, but with the way everything is in the markets and everything's so low, here's a great time to grow that now and put as much money into it as possible. And then the second, how do you earn it? You earn it by building a business. You earn it by creating multiple streams of income, starting with the Success Challenge. So watch that if you haven't. Again, you can click it right here and just follow along on this journey that we're going to do and how we're going to utilize different channels. And this one's going to be more about me talking about things that I like and learning about, which is crypto. I would consider myself an enthusiast, and a lot of people to this channel, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so as well, is that a lot of crypto investors are also people who like to make money online, who are entrepreneurial, self-employed. They understand investing. They understand making as much money outside so you can invest it into the assets as possible in the short window. That's who we're really looking to grow our community with, is people who understand that, people who, they want to make money online. They want to do it ethically. They want to do it honestly, and they want to do it to be able to help propel them to buy more crypto, especially when things are low. Again, not financial advice, but that's the direction that I see this going as we build and as we create content. Hope that's helpful. So make sure you guys subscribe, smash this the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also the bell where you'll get notified of new videos coming out. We'll keep you in the up to date on this as we go along, because again, the goal is to get to $5,000 a month in income from the channels, from being an affiliate, things like that. So that's how we're going to go forward with this. So anyways, I hope that helps you guys out, and leave in the comment down below. Here's a question I want to give you guys. What side hustles are you guys doing now? What are different type of income streams you guys are building, and or what are you even looking to build? Comment down below. I'd love to know, and definitely follow this journey, and look forward to bringing you guys value with each video. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.